Hey guys, it's Chris. Welcome back. I'm at Trader Joe's. It's nighttime. There's not a lot of light out here. We're gonna go in before they close. I hear they have some new vegan finds here, so we're gonna see what we can get, and hope you enjoy the video. We have this banana bread here, and oh, the use by date, just know that I filmed this on February 5th. Vegan banana bread with walnuts. You'll love me. This oatmeal raisin walnut Cliff Bar, haven't seen that one before. Maybe it's not new, I don't know. The white chocolate macadamia, that's my favorite if I were to choose Cliff. Now all of Lenny and Larry cookies are vegan. They have them here. They're not new. The Enjoy Life protein bites are also vegan. They're certified vegan for $1.29. And they have a few different flavors, the sunseed butter and the banana dipped, or dipped banana. And then the Cocoa Crunch cereal. Now this is a vegan cereal, and you might wonder about the sugar. Now the sugar comes from Australia, and Australia stopped using bone char back in 1990. We're all good there. These are the cinnamon squares, the crunchy ones. These are like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Notice the little V in the bottom left corner. Now this is chocolate hummus. Now don't get too excited about this because it has an ingredient in it called niacin. And from all the research I've done, niacin is not vegan friendly. So this chocolate hummus, although it seems otherwise vegan, is not. I would be very careful of this. But that's okay because we have some organic Buffalo Style HUMMUS, smooth and creamy, right next to it that is vegan. Here are the ingredients, and they are vegan ingredients, organic Buffalo Style for $2.99. And right next to that is the organic spicy avocado hummus, smooth and creamy, which is vegan, and it is also organic. And right on that same aisle, we have some MIYOKO's vegan cream cheese. All of MIYOKO's products are vegan, and MIYOKO's pretty awesome lady, so definitely check out her products if you haven't already. It's $5.49 for the cream cheese. How about some Trader Joe's organic cold pressed juice? Green juice, $5.99. Seems pretty expensive, right? But try buying all those ingredients and making it yourself. You're going to spend quite a bit of money unless you can find a very cheap farmer's market or grow it yourself, which is a possibility. Suja has some really good juices. I've been drinking those for a few years now. And the banana almond butter. This sounds pretty good. I haven't had it, but it looks pretty good. There's the ingredients. And then we have some organic creamy cashew cultured yogurt alternative. Basically, it's a vegan yogurt. And they have it at Trader Joe's. Here's the ingredients. Organic cashew base. And just in case you don't believe me that it's vegan, it says it's vegan right there. It's vegan. And we have some non-dairy oat beverage. Now, this is milk. Come on, guys. It's oat milk. Let's not call it a beverage. I've never heard of milk being a beverage. It's milk. It's oat milk. $3.99. Oat milk. It even looks like milk. Vegan butter. Another really good product by MIYOKO's. If you're looking for some of that cultured butter, but you don't want the cruelty, go for the MIYOKO's. Here's some more non-dairy beverage in a different container here. Definitely want to try this out, but I'm not going to call it a beverage. I'm going to call it milk. Organic coconut aminos. Now this is like a slightly healthier version of soy sauce, which is right here, soy sauce. And that is $2.89. Not a bad deal for that bottle. Speculoos cookies, definitely not new, but vegan. And the soy creamy cherry chocolate chip is a favorite of a lot of people, and it is vegan. So there you go. Vegetable samosas, another vegan. You can put these right in the air fryer, and they are veg, as you can see right there. $3.49 for a meal of samosas. And now we have the gnocchi. The gnocchi. Kale gnocchi, cauliflower gnocchi. Everybody talks about the cauliflower one. In fact, there's even a sign that says it's a customer favorite right there. $2.69 for a bag of those. Make a meal. We have the Every Daisies. These are probably just for Valentine's Day. I'm not really sure, but they have them right now. So if you get out there before Valentine's Day, you'll probably find those. And they are vegan and kosher. We have the dolmas, which I have showed these before in the past, but there they are, vegan, the bottom right corner. And the eggplant with tomatoes and onions, also a vegan product. Now we have the seasonings. Some of these aren't new, but I really like their packaging. As this one right here, the vegan chickenless. This is new, and all it is seasoning and salt, but it's got a really catchy package, and it says vegan on it. I think a lot of vegans are going to go out and buy that. I know I did. And it's $1.99. And of course, we have the mushroom company umami flavor seasoning blend, and everything but the bagel. I put that on everything, pretty much, except for bagels. Organic breadcrumbs. If you guys are looking for some breadcrumbs or nutritional yeast, because nutritional yeast it's a staple for vegans pretty much. So grab some of this. And then back to the freezer section, we have some riced cauliflower stir fry. And there's a down low of ingredients. And it's $2.99 for a bag. Oops, we goofed. Vegetable fried rice does not contain scrambled egg. That's a good thing. The miso is vegan, it says it right there. And here's some more stir fry that does not contain scrambled egg, by the way. It does contain alcohol though. So if you're like me, you might want to stay away from the alcohol. And here we have the Japanese style fried rice, which comes with edamame tofu and seaweed. And if you look at the bottom left, there is that V for vegan. But it does have alcohol in it like the other one. You could easily make this on your own. Now I'm excited about this protein patties. Look at the sign. It's so colorful and big. $4.49 for these new protein patties, plant-based burgers. It seems like everybody's carrying something like this now. And I think this is a great alternative to actual ground beef. I have not tried these yet, but if they're anything like the Beyond Burger or the Light Life, then I think it's a great substitute that vegans and meat lovers will both enjoy. Don't forget your dog. We got mint flavored dog treats with beet powder. I already gave them to my pups and they love them. I don't think I have enough, but they have two different ones. Here's the peanut butter and banana. They carry these sporadically here at Trader Joe's, but they don't have them year long from what I've seen. I also found these stone ground wheat crackers with the little V on the corner. And right here for a limited time, I found the gummies X's and O's for Valentine's Day. So in a few days, they'll probably be gone, but they don't have gelatin in them. If you are worried about sugar being processed through bone char, this may or may not. I have contacted the company and I'm waiting to hear back. So they have dark chocolate. This is organic, and all organic sugar is not processed through bone char. So you're safe here. These are vegan. And they have the dark chocolate truffle. And here's the ingredients there. And lastly, they have the dark chocolate super dark and 73% cacao. Also vegan. And these are $1.99 each. And last we have some buttercups. Yum. Trader Joe's at night, finding vegan things as always. Did not disappoint. They have a few new things that I've never seen before, and you guys can go there to your Trader Joe's and hopefully they have the same things. Maybe they have some things that we don't have at ours that you might have at yours. Let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite vegan things are. And don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, and thumbs up this video.